Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
Here we go. This is the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. This is for Wednesday, the 31st of August. Hey, this is the last day of meteorological summer, but we all know it doesn't turn magically cool in early September. We talked about it this morning. The hottest weather on record in this state has occurred in September. First good front of the fall season, typically late September, about 3, maybe 4 weeks away. It'll get here. Fall is getting close. But dry air mass today feels pretty good. This is the upper air look, and we have a high amplitude pattern across the country. Got an upper air high in the west and a trough in the east. And the eastern trough has pushed a surface front through. That happened late yesterday. And yeah, look at that. That's the visible satellite view. It's a sunny day. And we got a field of cumulus clouds over parts of west and south Alabama, but showers are basically impossible to find because of the dry air. That's the radar composite. We're live here at 2:40. Nothing across Alabama today. Probably the same thing tomorrow. And if we do see any showers tomorrow, they'll be across the Gulf Coast region. Even there, probably not that many. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 80s, Birmingham at 88, same for Gadsden, Tuscaloosa 90, and with the low dew points, the humidity is low. Feels much better today. Check the watch warning map around the nation. Pretty quiet day. Flash flood watches for parts of southwest Texas, and some heat issues back in the west, including much of California underneath the upper high. We've got a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight for parts of the Great Plains and the northeast United States. This is tomorrow. No organized severe weather expected across the country. And the same thing on Friday, which is day 3. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The western states, the northern states are dry. Around here, rain amounts about 1 inch, and your number is going to vary. We all know that. We stay dry tomorrow. Then we'll bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms Friday. And the weekend, little unsettled. We'll have a number of showers and storms around Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but not a washout. And rain distribution, as always, will be very uneven. So in the tropics, the National Hurricane Center watching 3 waves. We've got one high altitude wave in the higher altitudes, higher latitudes, that's up in the Atlantic, well to the east, northeast of Bermuda. And that'll be a North Atlantic storm, kind of a hybrid, not affecting the United States. We have one that is in the middle of the Atlantic between the Lesser Antilles and the coast of Africa, and one just off the coast of Africa. And really none of these should affect anywhere close to the United States, any areas. That wave that is going to be passing north of the Leeward Islands, that's going to recurve. The one up in the high latitudes will move northeast. We'll watch that wave out in the far eastern Atlantic. That might try and make a move off to the west, but again, we want to stress here we see nothing threatening the United States or the Gulf of Mexico for at least the next 7 to 10 days in terms of tropical storm or hurricane activity. We're going to make it through August without a named storm. Last time this happened was in 1997, 25 years ago. This happened in 1961, but it doesn't happen very often going through August without a named storm in the Atlantic Basin. So we can just celebrate the calmness, if you will. All right, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. 1st of September, first day of meteorological fall. And understand, we're going to do low 90s. It just doesn't turn cool on the 1st of September. It never has and never will here. A ridge is in place, but the air stays very dry. And listen, tomorrow morning, it might feel a bit like fall in some spots. We're going to see lows well down in the 60s. And we might, in parts of North Alabama, see a few upper 50s tomorrow morning. But the day will be sunny, much like today. The humidity stays low. The high will be in the low 90s. That should be the hottest day of the next 7 to 10 days. And then Friday, moisture begins to come back. And we'll bring back the chance of a few scattered afternoon showers. Probably nothing really widespread. Don't expect any major problems for the high school football games Friday night. The high Friday, 87 to 90. And then you can see deeper moisture in place as the holiday weekend begins. That's Saturday. And understand, will it rain at times? Yes. Will it rain everywhere? No, most likely. And we'll have some sun at times, but we are expecting scattered to numerous showers and storms Saturday. Most active from noon to midnight, but not all of them. So if you've got something outdoors, like you go into one of the college football games in the state, Alabama and Auburn are at home, other teams are at home, just take the rain gear and watch the radar trends. We can't tell you now here on Wednesday exactly when and where the showers are going to be on Saturday and Saturday night. But again, scattered to numerous showers and storms. High Saturday, probably low to mid-80s. And the same thing on Sunday, and the same thing on Monday. So each day, it will not be a deal where it just rains all day, but rain at times, a pretty good possibility. A lot of clouds around, but the sun should break out at times. And again, highs 81 to 85 on most days. Go to Tuesday of next week. Evidence moisture starts to thin out a bit as the ridge builds. And this is a week from today. This is Wednesday, September 7th. An upper high begins to build, and so we'll probably trend a little hotter, a little drier toward the latter half of next week. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, September 10th. And again, we've got ridging in place here. And that looks just standard for mid-September. Warm, humid, partly sunny, a few scattered showers and storms around. Here's the rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS Ensemble. Looking for that green line, around 3 inches between now and the middle of September. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. And again, tomorrow, probably the hottest day of the next 10 days with 92. Then 90 on Friday. After that, highs mostly mid-80s for the holiday weekend and through much of next week. And hot off the presses. Got the brand new CPC outlook here. This is for September 8th through September 14th. And if this verifies, temperatures here could be a little above average. So that's it for the afternoon edition of the Daily Weather Briefing video. Had a great time today at the big Veterans Retirement Community over in Pell City. Had a huge crowd, and just thanks to everybody there for their service. We had a great time today. Let's see, tomorrow, Coleman High School. I'll be there in the morning. Friday, Gardendale Elementary School. That'll be a lot of fun. And then Saturday, no book signing this weekend. We're getting into the season where we kind of do, we have to dodge some of the football stuff. I do weather support for the University of Alabama, and I'm at every home game. And by the way, if you want a chance to be on those big jumbotrons at Bryant-Denny Stadium, send me a picture of your group in the stands by the end of the first quarter, and we randomly pick some of those to be up on the screen. That's always a great souvenir to get your family up there, and that's kind of cool. But again, thanks to Baumhauer's legendary food, legendary fun for always sponsoring the activity we do down in Tuscaloosa on game days. We'll have notes over on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, join us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.